Hi everyone, I am Bindeshwar from Post Network Academy, and in this video I will explain some questions and I will solve it based on mean, so that's more concept you will get related to the mean. So let's get started. So see that if mean is given, which is 8, and observations 6, 4, 7, P and 10. So here this is P. So you need to find out the value of P. So here already mean is given. You need to find an observation. So you will write 8, that is mean, 6 plus 4 plus 7 plus P plus 10. And you can see that number of observations are 5. So you can also write here 27 plus P, because if you add 6, 4, 7 and 10, that would be 27, and here 40. So the value of P would be 30. Now let us solve another question. So this question is, I'm writing example 2. So see that this question is regarding deviations from mean. So see that there are observations 6, 4, not 6, 3, 4, 6, 8 and 14. There are 5 observations. So find out deviations from each observation from the mean. So first of all, we will find the mean. So that would be x bar is equal to 3 plus 4 plus 6 plus 8 plus 14 upon 5. So 3 plus 4, 7, 7 plus 6, 13, 13 and 8, 21, and 21 plus 14. That would be 35 and 5, and that would be 7. Now just deviate all the values from the mean, deviate mean from all observation. So 3 minus 7 plus 4 minus 7 plus 6 minus 7 plus 8 minus 7 plus 14 minus 7. So if you see that, so that would be minus 4 plus minus 3 here, minus 1 here, plus minus 1 you can write, thereafter plus 1, thereafter plus 7. See that that value would be minus 8 and that would be plus 8. So minus 8 plus 8, that is 0. So if you take deviations from the mean, that value always be 0. Now let us take another example. So example is that, example number 3, that the mean of 40 observation was 160. That mean of 40 observations, that means mean is 160 and observations was 40. It was detected that the value of 165 was wrongly copied. Wrongly copied 125. So of course mean would be different. So you need to find correct mean. So see that if I tell you mean 1 upon n into summation over xi's, so I can tell that 160 is equal to 1 upon 40 summation over all observations. So see that this would be equal to 160 into 40, that means 6400, 6400. Now this is the incorrect value. So how will you get correct value? So correct value of xi, just I am writing correct value of xi, you will find that 6400. You will subtract incorrect item, incorrect, and you will add correct. So basically you will get here 6400 minus, this was wrong and it was included and this was correct. So 125 plus 165 and it will come 6440. Now this is the correct value. So we have got correct summation of observations, that is 6440. So correct mean would be 6440 upon 40, and that would be, I am writing here, that would be 161. So here correct mean 161. So this was the correct mean. Now let us take another example. This is the same type like it was example number 3. So example number 4 and example number 3 both have the same concept. So the mean of 100 items, that means x bar was 30 and n was 100. If at the time of calculation, instead of one, there were 2 items were missed. So see that instead of 32, it was copied 23, and instead of 12 it was 11. So of course there would be, you can say that wrong answer summation of observations is also mean. because instead of 32 there was 23, instead of 12 there was 11. So of course that mean is not correct. So let us find it. In the last question there were only one mistake. In this question there are two mistakes. So let us see. So here x bar would be, let us take page in two parts. So x bar is equal to 30 and n is equal to 100. So I can write 30 is equal to 1 upon 100 summation over xi's. So that means in correct x's, sum of x's are 3000. So what will happen? Correct. So sum of here, correct value of xi, correct value of the summation of xi, that means 3000 minus sum of incorrect values, sum of incorrect values. I am writing well, that means values, plus sum of correct values, correct values. So here 3000 minus incorrect values 23 plus 11 and correct values 32 plus 12. So you will get 3000 minus, here you will subtract 34 plus 44, 3000 here would be. So 3000, this would be 2, not 2 but 3100. So this is the correct exercise. So correct mean would be, correct mean, that would be 3100 upon 100 and that would be 31. So mean, correct mean would be 31. So these were some examples related to mean. Hope you have understood. Thanks for watching the video.